Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kola. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you are new, please feel welcomed and subscribe. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you. Um, Today we'll be doing a mask. The mask will be about this is baking flour, all-purpose flour. We are going to mix it with lemon. This one, cut it into two. And the amazing ingredient there is turmeric. So we are going to mix. I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric and flour, and I squeeze some lemon juice. Some people have been asking me about the mask I use, and this is the mask I use. And for a good skin, remember, take water. I usually take mine, so I'll be adding a little of water in my mixture. Then you mix well. Don't make a very thick mixture because it will not be, it will not as in itatoka vizuri, as in it will stick more on your face. And remember, we're using this mask to remove the excess hair on your face. As you can see, I'm very hair here around this place. And turmeric is good to retain your color, and also it is antioxidant. So I've added a little turmeric on my mixture. As you can see, it is not that thick. I almost messed all my things here. I almost messed up. It was also not turmeric. If you leave turmeric, as in if you mess up with turmeric, it will show, and it will show you a drama. It does not get out of clothes very easily, if I can use that language. Anyway, we continue mixing our mixture. Then after that, let me set up the camera very well for you. Then after mixing, that's it. I'm going to use a brush. Today I'm not going to use my hands as normally. No, I'm going to use my hands. I'm not going to use my hands as normal, but for this turmeric, it stains your nails. So I'm going to use this brush and apply. Not getting out wherever as I wanted, so I'm going to add a little bit of flour. So I've added a little bit of flour, the consistency, then we apply. As you're applying, avoid your eyebrows, your baby hair, because this flour is going to remove every hair on your face. With the other side. Make sure you apply evenly. I'm telling you, this mask today is messing up with me and with my clothes too. So we have said avoid the eyebrows, and I almost touch my eyebrow. They said I'm very hairy. Some places, not all places, but mostly on my face. Some people even say I can't wear a wig because my hair has come up to the face around here. My hair is here and here. Continue. I'm looking like a ghost. Thank God my baby is asleep. Oh, you'd have run away. Mother, what is this? What are you doing? I'm going to take over the here. Yeah, we got some more. Hmm. And so guys, as I said in the other video, I'll be sharing with you tips on how to take care of your face. First and foremost, water. Take as a lot of water as you can. Water. If you can't take um, cold water, try warm water and it will work for you. Secondly, get enough sleep. Have you ever come across someone or you yourself the day you have stayed for long without enough sleep and you look at your face, you look like, wow, as if you have been kushtuad. So, as in, you look, as in, not sleeping is written all over your face, or someone who has taken some alcohol, some kind of, you see the look? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Third, the sun has a vitamin D, but I'm not saying you go exposing yourself to the sun. No, I'm saying the good sun is around 10 a.m. and around, nowadays it's no longer 10 p.m. No, I mean, it's no longer 4 p.m. It's 5 p.m. It's the best sun ever, even for small kids. The other thing is sun for vitamin D, and the sun is good for good muscles and what and for healthy bones. Yeah, please consider that. The other one is exercise. Exercise does not mean you go to the gym, you jump, I don't know, in the house. Can I amaze you? Even walking is an exercise. You walk even for just 1 kilometer. Imagine that it's enough. It helps your blood to flow, to improve the flow of the blood in the body, to get enough oxygen. You make even the what? Um, it makes even the digestive system to flow. It makes even it makes what? Walking is good, by the way. Even for those who want to lose their tummies, even for mothers who have baby fat. My friend, try walking and see. Or you just go, if you're upstairs. As for me, I live in the fifth floor, my friend. So I woke up in the morning, I take my hubby down to open the gate, then up, that is twice. I go down again, I go up again, that is 4 times. Then in the evening, as I go for the supper things, that is 6 times. Imagine that's enough. That's the amazing thing of walking. You're waiting for this thing to dry. That's why I'm sharing this tips with you. The other thing is washing your face. The first thing you should do in the morning is wake up in the morning, brush your teeth. I'm not planning for you, but I'm just sharing my routine. Wake up in the morning, brush your teeth. If you're not taking a bath, make sure. If you're not taking a bath immediately, make sure you wash your face. As for those who have acne, you can consider putting a small salt on that water. But after washing your face, if you have acne, consider leaving that face without any moisturizer for some minutes. Then you wash off it again, the salty thing, because salt is antibacterial. It will remove all the bacteria, the sweat you have sweat in the night, and then you leave it like that. After washing it off, before you moisturize, consider your skin type, consider your current situation. Your current situation means that if you have acne, if you don't have, if you are going to the sun, or if you are going outside. First, if you have acne, you should consider what moisturizer you should use. If you are going out to the sun, you should use a sunscreen. If you are, yeah, you should use that. And the foremost, water. The problem we have even with the sick people, if you want to have a good health, take water, a lot of water. Again, consider what you are eating. If you fill your body with good food, good nutrients, pop, your skin will glow. Try me not. Your skin will glow. Will glow. The mask is making me talk like. Again, if you just keep on eating junks for chips, burgers, I don't know what. You take soda, you take anything. Instead of taking fruits, good balanced food, consider even taking nuts. Even if you are going to make the jugupaparanga for 20 bob, consider that. As for what? As for cleaning your face, consider even the soap you're using on your face, the soap you're using to cleanse your face. Consider it. This video is mostly for those who have acne, for those who requested for this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. For the subscribers, thank you so much. May God bless you. If you are new, please feel free to join the family. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please consider subscribing, like, comment, whatever you want me to do for you, or whatever video you want me to do. And thank you so much. As we wait for this thing to dry, I think it's started to dry. Yes. Let's wait. Yes, it dries. It's dry. Oh, you can't talk. That's enough. So guys, it was hectic after washing on. Wow, I couldn't even talk. Wow. After that, I usually use my after using a mask, I usually use my coconut oil as a moisturizer. Just moisturizer. Guys, it feels nice. The headache is so I need to put one on my hair. Wow. Then you massage in. Avoid putting your hands like this as you apply your oil. Normally you do like this. To avoid a sagging skin. So coconut oil. See the way I look as if I've been kukarangwad. As if I've been poured something. So I'm going to remove the excess. And guys, I just love finally look at me looking a better, you see, Does it look nice? Does it glow? See my face? No makeup. For those who normally wonder, I'm going to wipe off my face using my clean towel. I don't want this video to be too long, please. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. If you're new, welcome. Karibu sana sana. Please subscribe, like, comment, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.